everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here today. I am Catherine and this is my channel, and let's get into today's box, the Bombay and Cedar. So I just went to my post office and had this waiting for me, and it was a very pleasant surprise. I don't believe I received last month's box. This is sent to me for review, for my honest review, which you will always get from me. I hope you know that about me. And I was really super surprised and very happy to see it. It is full of such great products that I love sharing it with you guys. Let me just first tell you a little bit about Bombay and Cedar. Bombay and Cedar says they are a wellness lifestyle in a box. And they are vegan and cruelty-free, and they do aromatherapy, and I'll tell you more about that in a second. Let me tell you that they do 2 boxes. They have a premium box, and that is 8 to 10 full-size and deluxe-size products with a guaranteed value of more than $120, and it is $49.95 per month with $6.95 shipping. And then the smaller box, the mini box, has 5 to 7 full-size and deluxe-size products, and it is $29.95, and it has a $5.95 shipping per month. In the US also. They do ship to Canada and internationally, but they have different shipping fees for that. You can check that out on the website. I will put the link below along with my code KATHRIN10, which will get you 10% off your first order. So that's exciting. And let me tell you a little bit more about them. I'm going to read some of this because I've only done the box once or twice and I want to be sure I don't miss anything. It's aromatherapy discovery tips and recipes, new essential oils in every box, hand-curated monthly theme to enhance your lifestyle, diffusers, skincare, books, snacks, home goods, activities, and more. And that is the same for both boxes. You just receive more products in the premium box. So I believe this is my November box because although it is December, I believe they ship the boxes for that month at the end of the month. So since I've had this a couple of days, I believe this is the November box because I don't think that the December box has shipped yet. So when I open it up, yes, definitely November. This is what we have. That is what it looks like. So let's get in here and find out what we've got. We have a nice pamphlet. It says November 2019, Nurture. Well, that's great. And in this pamphlet, it tells me what is in the box, and it will tell me if it was just in the premium or if it was in both boxes. So let's get in and find out what we've got. I'm going to open it right up, and right on top I have, ooh, you guys know I love tea. If you watch my Sips By, you know I love some tea. This is the Canelli Live Inspired Nourish and Glow Chai Rooibos Loose Leaf Tea for Healthy Skin. And it's a starter tea set. 1 ounce chai rooibos loose tea, bamboo spoon, and 6 drawstring cotton tea bags. That is what that looks like. And let's see what the pamphlet says. This is in the premium only box, and it is a $16 value, and it says this loose leaf tea set includes the bamboo spoon, 6 drawstring tea sachets, and an organic rooibos chai tea blend that'll nurture your insides and out. Well, let's just open this because you guys know I'm going to dig right into this when we get downstairs. I love tea. And that is what it looks like on the inside. And we have our tea, which is gorgeous. I love rooibos because it has that really pretty red color to it, and it's generally, I'm sure this is too, because it's rooibos, not black tea, it's usually caffeine free. This isn't bragging about being caffeine free, so enter at your own risk, but I'm telling you, I believe all rooibos tea is caffeine free. Don't hold me to that. Aw, and a cute little bamboo spoon to scoop it out and then pop it in one of these cute little cotton tea bags. Well, that's a cute little set that will definitely get used. I love tea, and I think tea is one of the easiest, most comforting ways to do, and I hate to buy into the buzzword of self-care, but to do a little self-care. I think if you take the time to brew some water and let the tea steep, and the scent benefits, the sensory scent benefits of like smelling tea, when I just believe all of that is good. All right, next I have, ooh, cookies. So easily distracted. Next I have, cookies. Chocolate Chip Crunchy Cookie Bites by Bakeology. They are gluten-free and for the planet. These are 130 calories for this 5-cookie bag. We'll give one of these a taste in a second. Chocolate Chip Cookie Bites by Bakeology. This was in both boxes. Just the right amount of sweet, savory, and crunchy leads to the addicting nurture of this chocolate chip cookie. $1.49. Well, let's see what they taste like. We're up here making videos. We're getting powerful hungry. Aw, that's cute. Just looks like a little chocolate chip cookie. And it says, I think it says there's 5 in here. That's what it looks like. I have to tell you, gluten-free has come so far. I have a very good family friend who has to be gluten-free and tells the tale of, you know, even just 10 or 15 years ago, how isolating it was. And it has come so far. This is amazing. I want to eat the other half, but that will only slow me down. I'll look forward to that treat when I'm done. Next I have the Twist Hair Turban. Oh, it's like this is from Simpleosophy. And it's one of these, like, I don't know if I should say like the brand, like Aquas, but it's Simpleosophy. Twist Hair Turban. Let's see what this says. This is only in the premium box, and it has a $9 value, available in 4 colors. Mine is a pretty burgundy-ish color. The hair turban is made of 100% microfiber, which is 8 times more absorbent than cotton. Dries hair gently and efficiently with less frizz, split ends, or hair breakage. I need all of those things to be gone, so that's awesome. Okay, reaching in next. This box is completely unknown to me. I haven't watched anybody's video of it, and I had no idea I was getting it, so I didn't do any spoilers for it, so this is so much fun. This is Ursa Major Go Easy Daily Shampoo with Balsam and Macadamia. Get soft, healthy, easy to manage hair with our delightfully nourishing daily shampoo. Works great for all hair types. Use solo or pair with your favorite conditioner, sulfate free, of course. And this is what that looks like. And it is huge. It is 8 fluid ounces. And so this was only in the premium box, and basically it says everything on here. I just read to you off of here. It has a $26 value. So that is really nice. Okay, next I have a Beat Brothers Olive Oil Green Tea Moisturizing Bath Bar. Yay. I love fancy soaps. I almost always use some kind of specialized soap, and olive oil is so moisturizing. Oh, it smells nice. You can smell the green tea in it, which kind of brightens the olive oil, and it is a good sized bar. You know, sometimes the fancy bars can be small, and this is a nice, good sized bar. Made with 100% olive oil. Absolutely no palm oil, and it is 5 ounces. This is in both boxes and has a $6 value. This 100% palm-free bar soap is made with pure olive oil and other natural ingredients for a super moisturizing lather that will leave your whole body clean and your conscience clear. $6. So that is very nice. Next I have, what is this? This is pretty. What is it? I don't know. Oh, it is a wireless speaker. You guys, now I just said to you, it is a wireless speaker. But what I'm getting ready to show you, when you first see it, you're not going to think wireless speaker. Look at this. That is so pretty, and it's like embroidered. I mean, oh my goodness. That is gorgeous. I mean, admittedly, if I had said, what is this? You would have said, oh, it's a wireless speaker. It is. It's from Tech Candy, Better Off Thread, embroidered wireless speaker. This is in both boxes, and it has a $36 value. Available in 4 colors. Mine is kind of an orangey back with the fall kind of autumnal, just gorgeous embroidery on the front. Tech Candy provides a full, rich sound that you can clip to your backpack or take on any bike ride. And it says that down in here, there is a carabiner that you can use to attach it to anything you want. That is so amazing. I would take it out, but it's not going to play. I'm sure it's not charged, and I don't have my music up here, but that is just beautiful. This is a fantastic box. However, I have half of a cookie over there driving me insane. I want to eat it so bad. Okay, this is likely to be our oils. Each month you get a couple of oils, and they usually come in a cute bag. That's exactly what this is. And this month we have received coriander and frankincense. Wow, frankincense. I used to use doTERRA oils all of the time, and I have since started getting another oil box, and it's so much less expensive than the doTERRA, but frankincense is such a pricey oil. I mean, this alone with like through doTERRA, I want to say it's like $70. I am not even exaggerating. I don't think. And then there's the coriander. Let's see what it says about these. Well, they each come with cards that tell you how to use them. And it also tells you if there are precautions. Like anytime I do an oil video, I like to say, you know, be sure and read up on the oils that you're using before you apply them. If you're going to put them on your body, be sure and use a carrier oil. Like to a teaspoon of carrier oil, you need like 1, maybe 2 drops of the oil. Tops. It is amazing how little oil, essential oil you need for it to be effective. Okay, so the book says coriander seed essential oil. This oil is extracted from the seeds of the cilantro, which is an annual herb said to be native to Europe, Northern Africa, and Western Asia. It's beneficial in treating spasms and much more. $14 value. And the frankincense essential oil by Bombay and Cedar says, frankincense is grown primarily in the Middle East, Northern Africa, and India. It has been used since ancient times for sacred and medicinal purposes. $10 value. That's a crazy good value. All right, next I have, oh my goodness, how cute is this? This is so stinking cute. Teapot and Cups Set. Oh my gosh. With our little rooibos set that we got, how cute is that? We've got to take this out and look at it. Oh my goodness. Oh, and it's really yellow and so happy. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. So once you've made the tea, you can put its little lid on. Oh my gosh. So that's the little teapot. This is fantastic. And then you have your little cup that you can pour it into, but when you're storing it, oh my gosh, guys, how cute is that? Tell me that that would not make you happy every time you used it. That is, I don't care whether you're a cat or a dog person, that's adorable. That is so cute. And you would probably easily get 2 cups out of this. I'm going to quit saying it. It's so cute. Tea for Me set by Now Designs. It only comes in the premium box. $24 value. Available in 4 styles. These adorable tea sets are made from durable stoneware. Each set has a removable lid that serves as a cup when turned upside down. It looks like there might have also been a fox, a bunny, and then there was something blue, and I can't tell what it was. That is so stinking cute. All right, and last but not least, I have Spa Savvy Hydroflex Moisturizing Gloves and Socks. Ooh, everything I have needs moisturized, so I am happy to have something to cover it with. That is so cool. Let's see what the book says. This comes in both boxes, and it says Moisturizing Socks and Gloves by Spa Savvy. These soft textured gloves and socks moisturize your hands and feet, leaving them feeling velvety smooth. For even deeper hydration, apply moisturizer, your favorite essential oil, and wear overnight. $12.99. Oh, we can feel it. Yeah, it feels like cotton. That was an excellent self-care box. I was telling you how I felt about making tea, and then we had this awesome teapot to make the rooibos that we got in the set. We got this really pretty speaker, which I was thinking, when I first saw it, actually, I was thinking, how cute would that be just in the bathroom? If you were taking a nice hot bath, you could set it beside you. You probably shouldn't get it wet, but and we got some little chocolate chip cookies. I have half of one over there still tormenting me. And while we're in the bath, we have our nice olive oil soap. We have our daily shampoo from Ursa Major. We got our 2 oils in Coriander and Frankincense. Once we pop out of the bath, we have the Turban to pull our hair up in, and these to put on afterwards on our hands and feet to get ourselves super soft. I'm telling you, you could make an evening out of this one box. Make your little tea, take it in the bath with you. So cute. All right, guys, this was, I believe, a fantastic box from Bombay and Cedar. I think the theme was so well put together, and I think that's probably what I like about it the most. Like I said, you could take an evening and use this box, and it wouldn't be a stretch. You could like make an evening out of this box, and I really appreciate that theme. All right, guys, like I said, I will put the link below with my Kathryn 10. You get 10% off your first box. They are $49.95 for the premium, $29.95 for the mini. The difference is in the premium, you received the shampoo, the tea kit, the hair turban, and the cute little kitty set. In the mini, you received both oils, the chocolate chip cookies, the wireless speaker, how cute is that? The olive oil soap, and the moisturizing socks and gloves. So they are both great boxes. You do have shipping and handling with both of them, $5.95 and $6.95. And in this box, actually I just saw this at the bottom, in this box, this premium value was $161.48. So basically 3 times what you paid for it. And the mini box has a value of $86.48. So close to 3 times what you paid for it. I really, really like this box. I hope you guys do too. Thank you so much for coming by. I appreciate each and every one of you for taking the time to be here with me. I know this is a busy season. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out, and I'll see you soon.